Hi guys, it's Tandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'll be giving you guys 10 tips on how to manage your online schooling. So without any further ado, let's get on with today's video. The very first tip I have for you guys is to keep a to-do list. This is pretty self-explanatory, but the reason why you really need a to-do list is so that you are able to keep track of what tasks you have, and so that you're not left trying to remember what assignments you have to do. You can keep it on your phone like the way I do, or in a planner, or on a piece of paper, or whatever works the best for you, but I definitely recommend having a to-do list. The second tip I have for you guys is to have some music playing in the background while you work. Make sure that it's a playlist so that you're not distracted trying to find a new song, and also make sure it's nothing too distracting because you still want to be able to focus, but having music in the background is a great way for you to get in the zone while you're working / studying. The third tip I have for you guys is to try and plan your breaks and stick to that plan. So many times we find ourselves wanting to take breaks on breaks on breaks on breaks, but if you plan when you're going to take a break at the beginning of the day, you will totally be able to do way more work than you would if you just take a break whenever you want to. The fourth tip I have for you guys is to limit distractions. Whether that means working from your bedroom or working anywhere where you won't be distracted by other people in your house or pets or anything like that. Having a quiet place where you're not distracted is crucial for focusing on your work. The fifth tip I have for you guys is to try to do as much work as you can during the day than at night. That way, at night you'll have time to just relax, be with your family, and do other things that are just schoolwork. The sixth tip I have for you guys is to eat a good, healthy breakfast. Lately, I've been eating some smoothie bowls. I know that sounds quirky, different, healthy, I know. I've been trying to be way healthier during this quarantine time. So I've been making some smoothie bowls. So to do that, I use just frozen berries from Target, almond milk, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds. I blend them all together in a blender, and then I sprinkle some granola on top, coconut flakes, and chia seeds, and it tastes so good, super filling, and super healthy. A good breakfast is pretty necessary for having a good and productive day. The seventh tip I have for you guys is to take notes during your Zoom classes. I know this might be what? Why? I mean, I know people might think that Zoom classes are just burdensome, but really they're pretty helpful, because sometimes your teacher might assign an assignment but then forget to post it on your school's website. So make sure you take notes and pay attention during that class, just so you know just so that you know if you have any assignments that they might not post online for you to see. The eighth tip I have for you guys is to keep track of your due dates, whether that means using your planner or using the calendar app on your phone. That way you know when everything is due, especially with online school. You're alone, so you really don't have anyone to remind you to turn something in, because when you're at school, you'll see your friends turning in things and you'll be like, oh, I've turned that in. But during online school, you don't have that, so make sure you always keep track of your due dates, especially the ones that are due at noon, because sometimes you might have the work done but just forget to turn it in at noon. So make sure that you know when everything is due so you can turn it in on time. The ninth tip I have for you guys is to communicate. Communicate. Make sure you're emailing your teachers if you have any questions, talking to your friends if you have any questions about stuff that they could maybe help you with. Make sure that you communicate, because you don't want to misinterpret the assignment and then get a bad grade, when really you could have gotten a better grade if you had just known exactly what you were supposed to do. So make sure you always are communicating if you're ever unclear on anything that you have to do. And the 10th and final tip is to take this seriously. I know it feels weird, doing stuff from home and stuff like that, but it is still school no matter what, and the grades are just as real as regular school. So make sure you pay attention and take online school seriously. Most of us are coming to the somewhat end of our school year, so make sure you keep trying where it matters most. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more new videos from me. Thanks for watching.